question. Now we've got a triangle here, PQR, and we're asked to calculate the length of PR, which would be this side here, and to give our answer correct to 3 sig fig. Before I do so, I'm just going to fill in whatever information I can. I know that this side must also be 8 centimeters because they're equal. And if this is 140 degrees, that means there's 40 degrees left for these two angles here, which means that each angle must be 20 degrees because they must be the same size. Now, a couple of ways we could go about this. We could use the cosine rule. If this was the side A, that would be the angle A. Call this the side B, that would be the angle B, and this would be angle C, this is side C. So I could say that A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine A. And using that formula, I can work out the length of A. Another way we could do it is using the sine rule. This is the cosine rule. The sine rule is that A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. For the purposes of this question, I'm going to go with the sine rule because it's a little bit easier to work with. But either method is fine. Okay, let's go with the sine rule. So A over sine of 140 should equal B, which is 8, over sine of 20. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to multiply both sides by sine 140. And we get this. A will equal 8 times sine 140 divided by sine of 20. Please, please, please do not fall into the trap and think you can just cancel the signs above and below and cancel 20 into 140. It will not work. Once you set this up, get your calculator out and let that do all the hard work for you. So it's going to be, we're doing a fraction here, and it's 8 times the sine of 140 all over the sine of 20. So I get to 3 significant figures, 15.0. 15.0. That's the 3 significant figures. I'm actually feeling a little bit generous now, so I'm actually going to do it using the cosine rule as well. So A squared, let's write it down. A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine A. So A squared will equal B squared is going to be 8 squared plus C squared, which is also 8 squared, minus 2 times 8 times 8 times the cosine of 140. Let's get the calculator out to do all that hard work. So 8 squared plus 8 squared. In fact, let's not write that down. 8 squared plus 8 squared minus 2 times 8 times 8 times the cosine of 140, and that equals 226.05. So let's write down exactly what we see. 226.0536. 226.0536. I think it was 887 if I remember correctly. Have a look. Yep. which means A is going to be the square root of all of this. So let the calculator do the hard work again. Square root of my answer equals 15.035 blah blah blah. To 3 sig fig is 15.0 as well. So you can see two different ways doing the same question and we get the exact same answer.